Hey guys, Aaron here. So today I'm going to go over how to easily mount this flat screen TV.
So the first thing we're going to do is identify where on the wall the TV is going to go. Now in my case this is a basement, so I'm just going to center it on the wall and then arrange my furniture around it. Now at this point I'm just going to find the center of the wall as I'm not worried about the height just yet. Next I'm going to measure the height of my TV. Next we're going to go ahead and determine our height. To do this I'm simply going to place a piece of tape where I think the middle of the TV should be, lining it up of course with the mark I made for the center of the wall. Then I'm going to mark the top and the bottom of the TV. To do this, I'm simply going to measure half the height of the TV in each direction. And then I'm going to place a piece of tape to mark each spot. This would be a good time to place any objects you're going to have below the TV in place so that you can verify that the TV is sitting high enough on the wall. Now that we've determined the placement for the TV, we can go ahead and find our studs to mount the bracket. Now there's a couple of different options for doing this. The easiest way, of course, is probably to get a stud finder and just run it along the wall.
Now another way to identify the stud is just to knock on the wall like this, and in the middle of the stud you'll hear a hollow sound, and as you get closer to the stud you'll hear more of a deadened sound because there's the stud behind there. So we know that's the stud.
Now most studs are going to be 16 inches on center, so really we only need to locate one, and then we can just measure 16 inches in either direction to locate the next one. Now to verify that you did mark the studs correctly, you could simply take a small nail and hammer it in until you hit the wood. Now before I can mark the holes for the bracket, I want to extend my marks for the studs. This way I can make sure that the holes in the bracket line up with the studs. Next, I'm just going to place my bracket against the wall and mark the spots for my bolts. Now, the easiest thing I've found is just to take a torpedo level. Mine is magnetic, and just set it on top of the mount and then adjust your mount as necessary to make sure it's level. Now, one thing you will notice is that I'm not actually measuring out the center of the bracket to line it up with the blue tape. I'm really just eyeing it at this point. If you wanted to be more accurate on the placement of the bracket, you could definitely use a tape measure to find the center of the bracket and then line it up with the blue tape. Now, in most cases, when securing the bracket to the wall and actually going into a stud, we want to use a lag bolt. Now, lag bolts need to be pre-drilled, and usually that requires a drill bit that's just slightly smaller than the lag bolt itself.
Now, I know I've talked about these in previous videos, but these are great. These are socket adapters for your drill. Really, you can just take any socket set. Usually there's multiple different heads on them, different sizes, and any socket will work.
Now that I have my holes drilled, I'll go ahead and secure the bracket to the wall. Now, as you can see, I've installed the top two lag bolts, but I haven't actually tightened them all the way down. Now, the reason I'm not tightening them all the way down is because there is a little bit of movement in the bracket, so I can shift the bracket side to side, or potentially up and down. This way I can make sure it's level and centered to exactly where I want it.
All right, so next we're just going to go ahead and attach our brackets. Now, the way I did this, I want the middle of the bracket to be about the middle of the TV, so I'm going to line it up. Now, you can measure all this out if you want to. Just take a tape measure and do all that. I'm not worried about it. I've got a lot of room above and below. So really, I'm just going to put this in here. And I had to get replacement bolts here, so just go to the hardware store and you can pick them up. And now, on the top here are lines on this one. So what I want to do is, because I want both of my sides to be exactly the same height, I'm going to adjust this based on the lines and try to line it up that way. So I'm going to use those lines as a reference point for my other down here. And make sure in the middle. Now, of course, the other thing you could do, if you don't like these reference points and the marks here, you could use a level. Set the level on top of these two. You could go that way too. Like I said, the other thing you could do, take a level like that. Of course, assuming you're on a level platform. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, if you're not already a subscriber, be sure you click that link below and become one. And we'll catch you on the next one.